Alright, let's get this set up. Welcome back to our body system Vodcast. We're now with the nervous system. The nervous system obviously sends and receives messages. One main part of the nervous system, probably the most important, especially for you kiddos and your learning, is the brain. The brain has three parts. You have the cerebellum in the brain that coordinates your movement and balance. You have the brain stem that controls your senses and keep your heart and breathing going. So that controls your involuntary muscles. And then you have the cerebrum. The cerebrum controls the thinking and emotions. And along with this, if you remember the activity that we did, we talked about the right brain compared to the left brain. So the right side of your brain kind of deals, I say, with more the recreation. Right, recreation, both start with R. And what that includes all your creativity, your artistry, your sports, your imagination, things like that. Then on the left side of your brain, I say left for logic. Okay, the left side kind of deals with your logic. That's your main school subjects. Reading, writing, math, things like that. The next part of the nervous system is the spinal cord. The spinal cord is made up of millions of nerves. They're all over the place. That's what allows you to feel. Anything that you feel, taste, see, touch, they all deal with nerves. We consider the spinal cord the message superhighway. Okay, we're not just talking about the 2-lane road between here and Townsend. We're talking about a super freeway in Los Angeles. And the spinal cord is protected by the spine. And as you can see here, the spine is made up of the vertebrae. We'll get more into that when we get into the skeletal system. And the next part is actually those millions of nerves. Those nerves are the ones that send the messages. They're made up of neurons. And if we remember our analogy of the nerves to a car, the neurons are like the engine of the car. Then the axon, which is a tube off the neuron. Well, this is kind of like the axle of a car, which helps the wheels spin. Then you have dendrites that branch off of the axon, and they're not on here, but those dendrites could kind of be like the tires of your car, the wheels that are touching the pavement and going. And then your synapses are what connect to your dendrites. So maybe you could think of that as your trailer hitch. Your synapses are your trailer hitch. And that will do it for the nervous system.